Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I created this look. It's a very simple everyday makeup look. I think it's quite suitable for any occasion really. If it's like going to work, going to brunch, going for a party or anything, I think it's quite an easy look to wear. I use all of the products on my face, brands like Clinique, Tom Ford, Bobbi Brown, Estée Lauder, La Mer and more. Stay tuned to the end of the video because there are tons of discounts and I'm gonna show you guys how you can get all of these products that I use at a discount. So yeah, this is our full face using the Estée Lauder company's products. Let's get started. We're starting with the clean face, and first up we gotta prep our skin with skincare because that is very important to give your skin a really nice canvas to put makeup on and also for your makeup to last all day. So first up, I'm going in with my Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. I'm at my 4th bottle now. This is really good, especially if you have redness on your skin. This one really helps to calm it down. So I just like to apply it on my hands like this and pat it in. Love the smell. The rest of it, apply it at the back of your hands because you don't want to waste it. Next one is a serum. I'm using the Mer The Concentrate. This one is really good for people with sensitive skin, redness, skin that needs repair. This one is just so luxurious. It has a really nice silky texture when you apply it on your skin. It just makes your pores disappear. So I really love applying this underneath makeup. It kind of acts like a first pre-primer to my skin and it makes it look really nice. And usually after each step, I like to just gently pat it in. Next step is moisturizer. You guessed it, it's my Clinique Moisture Surge 72 Hours Auto Replenishing Hydrator. I love this. You guys already know it and I talk about it so much. I think this is like really good for all skin types. Even if you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, you can use this because it is such a good hydrator. It just gives your skin a very nice thirst quenching effect where your skin drinks up all of the moisture and it kind of dries down to a film over your skin. It's a protection from your skin against the external environment, which sometimes can be really harsh and dirty, especially if you're flying. So I really like to use this moisturizer before I bought the plane, and on the plane I also like to reapply it because that way it can kind of lock in everything. So it has a really nice gel whipped texture that isn't too heavy on the skin, so that's why even if you have oily skin, you do need to hydrate your face and I recommend you to go for something like this. Okay, it's now time for foundation, and this one is the Clinique Even Better Glow Light Reflecting Makeup SPF 15 PA++. So this is a skincare and foundation 2-in-1 kind of product which helps to improve your skin while giving you the kind of coverage that you need. So I really love this. You guys already know the drill. I like to just apply it at the back of my hand first. So I really like this foundation because it gives me a very natural finish. It doesn't take away too much floss, so the coverage I would say is light to medium. It gives you a very nice like healthy glow to your skin. I did it on half of my face versus this side. It did manage to cover my redness, but at the same time, it's not so full coverage looking. So I highly recommend this foundation for everyday use. And now I'm gonna go in with the other side. Lastly, I'm gonna take another layer of this and use it on areas that needs a little bit more coverage. Just using a sponge to go in like underneath my eyes, around my nose, because my nose tends to get really red. Okay, and our base is complete. Next up, it's brows. I'm using the Estée Lauder the Brow Multitasker in the shade 02 Light Brunette. This is a very simple but really effective brow pencil. It has your usual triangle shape that allows you to get into the corners very well. And today I just thought I would go in with like a really nice natural straight brow. And I'll use the spoolie to brush everything out. So next up, I'm gonna go in with eyeshadow. I'm using the Tom Ford Eye Color Quad in the shade Honeymoon. Their colors are so gorgeous. The quality of the shadows are so good. The colors are so pigmented and they pick up so well on screen. I'm just gonna do a very simple berry colored eye with a little touch of copper. The first step would be to go in with this pink shade over here. And I'm just applying it very gently. A slight little wash of pink all across my entire eyelid. Next up, I'm taking this copper shade over here and applying it right at the first half of the eyelid. Kind of right over the berry color for a nice gradient look. Also on the lower corners of my eyes. Next up, I'm taking this burgundy shade over here to just define the outer corners of the eyes a little bit more. And I'm kind of making it a semi-smoky eye look. This color is so gorgeous, look at that. Next up, I'm taking this champagne color right over here and I'm just applying it on the inner corners of the eyes to open up the eyes a little bit more, add a little bit of shimmer. Eyeshadow done. Okay, now it's time to go in with eyeliner. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner in black ink. This one is a pot gel eyeliner, so it's very, very long lasting. Just taking it with my brush and warming it up at the back of my hand. So this is very important because you want to get rid of all of the excess products that are on your brush first. That way you can get a clean line much easier. So today I'm gonna go in with a downward cat eye look and just very, very gently drawing a line across. I love this eyeliner, it's very creamy and it's very pigmented. So I like to drag out my wing a little bit more, like so. Next up, let's go in with the cheeks. I'm gonna be using my Clinique Cheek Pop in the shade Melon Pop. This one is a very gorgeous coral melon color that is very brightening to the skin. Just taking a little bit and applying it right at the centers of my cheek. Look at this color, it's so beautiful. Next up, it's time for highlighter. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in the shade Nectar. So it has many gorgeous different shades of pinks, corals, and pearl and so on. And I'm just gonna be taking the pearl with the coral kind of color over here. I'm just gonna run it down my nose, my cheeks, for that little bit of shine. And now it's time for mascara. I was leaving it to one of the last few steps because I wanted my eyeliner to dry down a little bit more. For mascara, I'm using the MAC in Extreme Dimension Waterproof Lash Mascara. It has a super interesting wand. It just makes gripping the wand so much easier, and check out the bristles. So first I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to apply a few coats of it. Now it's time for the lips. I've been loving the MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Mull It Over for the longest time now, and I thought this mauvey brown color would suit this entire look really well, so this is the lipstick I'm wearing. And this makeup look is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to check out the description box below for all of the products that I used today. iShop Changi will be running an exclusive with the Estée Lauder companies and the Sheila Duty Free to offer limited time only specials on 14 of their biggest brands. A lot of them I used today in this tutorial. So some of the brands include Estée Lauder, MAC, Origins, Jo Malone, Bobbi Brown, and more. Specials include discounts, of course. We also have bundle sets, and there are also gift with purchase, especially for all these 14 different brands. So do check out the description box below for everything that you need. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!